والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are going to start our first session of this week. On the first lesson we started with something very important, that actually the Arabic letters, when we combine them with harakat, zabar, zair, and pesh, fatha, kathra, and dhamma, then we have word. And word can be ism, fi'il, harf, like noun, verb, and particle. Ism mean name of person, place, things, or an idea, and more. Like some of the examples are here, and properties are given here. Fi'il is something which is showing action. It tells us about an action, and there will be particle haruf join. They will join the nouns and verb with each other, like we did li, min, be, and many others. So this is actually overall we will learn more and more in this course. So this thing will be in our mind about noun, verb, and particle, and we will recognize them. Time will come that it will be very easy for us to recognize them. And we do some example, like in level 0 we started with noun and rabbuhu, rabbuhum, rabbuka, rabbukum, rabbi, rabbuna, and there were attached pronouns and detached. We have started the verb, and before starting we said that first it have two main thing. The in Arabic there are two type of tenses, that will be madi and mudare. Madi mean past, mudare is future and present together. So last time we took one example and we saw that how we can study the madi, that is we take one, like we will discuss about for some time about three letters. There are three letters, fa, ain, and lam. These are three letters, they combine it and there is one word. This is the starting word, fa'ala. Fa'ala means he did, fa'alu they did, fa'alta you did, fa'altum you all did, fa'altu I did, fa'alna we did. Initially we started with the detached pronouns. They are huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. Huwa he, hum they, anta you, antum you all, ana I, nahnu we. They were detached pronouns. Here when we say fa'ala, fa'ala means he did. He is hidden here inside of it. So fa'ala he did. Fa'alu they did. Fa'alta you did. Fa'altum you all did. Fa'altu I did. Fa'alna we did. If you observe that there is one word that is fa'ala and it is changing its shape, like in madi, just you have to observe at the end of this letter fa'ala it becomes fa'alu, then ta, tum, tu, na, and these last letters will basically define and they'll tell the meaning. We will recognize the meaning by the last here. Fa'ala he did, fa'alu, this is the plural of fa'ala, they did. Fa'ala and fa'alu, this is about third person singular and third person plural. Fa'alu. Fa'alta you did, fa'altum you all did, fa'altu I did, fa'alna we did. So this is, there are three. If you just group them, there are three. Fa'ala, fa'alu. This is about the third person singular, third person plural. Fa'alta, fa'altum. Second person singular, second person plural. First person tu, fa'altu, I did, fa'alna we did. You see that one word is changing its shape, and then this is what we are doing here. So it means that in Quran that one word will come in different forms. and we have to recognize that what is the meaning of fa'ala, what will be the meaning of fa'altum. Sam, what will be the meaning of this? Is one word, but it is changing its shape, and when it is changing its shape, the meanings are changed. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. This is ta, this is tu. Otherwise letters are same, everything same, just the haraka, zabar and pesh are different. This is zabar. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altu, I did. So we have to practice it in order. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. This is what we did last time. This is about the Madi. And today we are going to start with the new thing, that is Modare, present and future together. In Arabic, we would say it Modare. Like past in Arabic, we will say Madi. And this is, see how the vocabulary is increased every time when we attend this class. So we say that past, Madi, present and future together, this is called Modare. This will be repeated again and again. And see here, Fa'ala, he did. And there are six words you have learned, and you have seen that how the meanings are there. So now let's come to Modare. Same pair. First is about the first person, third person singular, third person plural. Second person singular, second person plural. First person singular, first person plural. But here, this is fa'ala, but it comes mudare yafa'alu. He does or he will do. So it will have both meaning, mudare, present and future. But the question arises when we have to say it, he will do or he does. Initially, we have to remember it. Yaf'alu mean he does or he will do. And when you will see the application of this, and then from the context, it will be very easy for us to recognize that. And there will be other things also. So for the time being, yaf'alu, he does, he will do. And see here, yaf'aluna, they do or they will do. See here, this is starting from ya, this is also ya, and the plural is una. For you, it start with ta. Taf'alu, taf'aluna. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do, I will do. Naf'alu, we do, we will do. First thing, order should remain same. Third person singular, third person plural. Second person singular, second person plural. First person singular and first person plural. This is all. So if I start from fa'ala, reach here with little practice, this, and we have to put some efforts that these things should come in our fingertips. This is the template, and you will see that if we take any other word, we can make it is very easy. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altum, fa'altu, fa'alna. يفعل يفعلون تفعل تفعلون أفعل نفعل فعل he did فعلوا they did فعلت you did فعلتم you all did فعلت I did فعلنا we did يفعل he does or he will do يفعلون they do or they will do تفعل you do or you will do Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will. Naf'alu, we do or we. This is a template. That's why the meaning of each and everything is there. But when I put any other word, so we will have to derive the meaning by ourselves. One another thing, in every class we are discussing one word, we are using it, that is TPI. Total physical interaction. Total physical interaction means that we have to use our right hand. If everybody can see my video, uh, I will use my right hand. Right hand single, one finger is for singular, and when I use four finger together, this is for plural. For third person, he or they, how we do? He, they. If I come to for the second, I will come here. Just I point towards in front of myself. That is the second person. You, and for all, you all, four finger. I, we, he, they. you, you all, I, we. Now, Sam, I will apply this TPI, total physical interaction. By doing this practice, it will be very easy to understand the meaning. There will be no need to memorize the translation of this. I will start with fa'ala, and you will see that how the fingers will move automatically. Fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, فعلتم, فعلت, فعلنا. Now for mudare. يفعل, يفعلون. تفعل, تفعلون. أفعل, نفعل. So they will, this will be automatic, that if I understand the first person, third person singular, third person plural, second person singular, second person plural, first person and first person plural. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Now for mudare. Yaf'alu, again, he does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do or they will do. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do. So now I would ask Ubaid Naim, can you please just practice for fa'ala?
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم
Ubaid, please come close to the mic and so that audience can hear you easily, please.
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلتم فعلنا يفعلوا
Yaf'alu.
يفعلوا يفعلون تفعلوا تفعلون أفعلوا نفعلوا.
But there was mic problem, so it is problem for us to hear. So I would go to Safi.
Yes.
Please go ahead. Fa'ala. With translation, please.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do or they will do. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do.
We do or we will do. Yes. So I will go for practice again. So Abdul Razak bhai, brother Abdul Razak.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam Razak.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Yaf'alu, he did or he will.
He does, sir.
He does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they will do or they did.
They do both. It is present and future, sir.
Okay, they do or they will do. Taf'alu, you do or you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do or you all will do. Af'alu, I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do.
We do or I will do. Okay. I would go to Imad.
Yes.
Yeah, Imad, first tell me how many types of tenses here? One is first is past.
Past.
In Arabic, what do we say it?
Madi.
And what about second?
Present and future, and that is mudari.
Mudari. Yeah.
Mudari.
Okay, can you please start with fa'ala?
فعل فعلوا فعلت فعلتم فعلت فعلنا.
Okay.
يفعل يفعلون
يفعل.
يفعل يفعلون تفعل تفعلون أفعل نفعلون.
Naf'alu, af'alu, naf'alu. This is very much that in first person in Mudare, that is af'alu, naf'alu. That is different from this. Thank you. So I would go to Arham.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
Fa'ala, he did. Fa'alu, they did. Fa'alta, you did. Fa'altum, you all did. Fa'altu, I did. Fa'alna, we did. Yaf'alu, Yaf'alu, he does, he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do, they will do. Taf'alu, you do, you will do. Taf'aluna, you all do, you all will do. Af'alu, I do, I will do. Naf'alu, we do, we will do.
Very good. Thank you. So similarly, in the practice session, inshallah, we'll take all these words. Ja'ala, he made. Jama'a, mana'a, fataha, rafa'a, zahaba, and put here. Burak is there?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, Burak. Burak, can you please, if I ask you, this is fataha. Can you please this fataha and produce complete table of 12 words? Fataha means?
He opened, he
opened. That's
decided.
it. We take
Okay.
one word meaning. He opened. Okay, go ahead. First Arabic and then with translation.
Fataha, fatahu, fatahta, fatahtum, fatahtu, fatahna. Yaftahu, yaftahuna, taftahu, taftahuna, aftahu, naftahu.
Okay.
Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fata'ta, you open. Fata'tum, you all open. Fata'tu, I open. Fata'na, we opened. Yaftahu, he opens or he will open.
Yaftahuna.
Yaftahuna, they open or they will open. Taftahu, you open or you will open. Taftahuna, you all will open or you all will open. Aftahu, I open or I will open. Naftahu, we open or we will open.
Just last question, Burak, from you. You asked this question. Can you please tell me the verbs in this table? Any verb in this table?
There are the verbs, they're all verbs.
All are verbs. Yes. That's it. That is the answer. I got your answer. So, okay, we have to go for the session. Over to you, Dr. Sab.
Okay, thank you. The rooms are open.